Sabrina Carpenter has been in the entertainment space for almost a decade, yet she's just now starting to reach the height of her fame and popularity. She has emerged as a style icon, captivating fans and fashion enthusiasts alike with her unique, whimsical look. Her fashion choices reflect her dynamic personality and artistic versatility, making her a trendsetter in the entertainment industry. She has immense musical talent, of course, but some of her success is to do with her genius rebranding and marketing tactics, and the influence that her style has had to make her image iconic and memorable in the eyes of her audience. When you see these colors, fluffy curtain bangs, and white boots, it doesn't take long for Sabrina to pop up in your head. We have seen this personal image and world building with many celebrities such as Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, Marilyn Monroe, and more. Sabrina has also adopted the same techniques of creating links between symbols, colors, and her music to highlight her public persona. But how exactly did she achieve this effect? Let's get into it. Sabrina's body type is smallish and shapely. She has a short vertical line, meaning the width of her shoulders is narrower than average, which increases the perceived width of her head. This gives her a cute doll-like appearance. In the Kibbe system, she would be categorized as a soft cameen. These are body types that are short and have soft, rounded features in the face and body. She often gravitates towards ultra-feminine looks, characterized by flirty dresses and skirts. She frequently opts for corset dresses, which highlight her figure while adding a touch of vintage charm. These dresses are often paired with tights and chunky heels, creating a balanced look that is both playful and sophisticated. She honors her body type by wearing clothes that mimic the natural lines of her shape. She is seen wearing short and flirty looks, with fabrics that have a low visual weight and create a playful yet glamorous vibe. She incorporates certain elements like hearts, frills, whimsical details like ruffles, lace, bows, adding a touch of coquetry. She sprinkles them in most of her looks, creating variety but consistency at the same time, giving viewers something new to look at while at the same time serving familiarity, and that, in my opinion, is genius. Behind Sabrina Carpenter's impeccable style are talented stylists like Jared Elner and Ron Hettelman. They draw inspiration from the 90s and 2000s fashion. This collaboration results in a cohesive and well-curated fashion identity that resonates with her audience.
Sabrina Carpenter's street style is actually very similar to her on-stage style. She's really known for on-stage wearing a mini skirt, mini dress, platform heels, which is incredibly flattering for her petite body type, but off stage wearing this style a lot. Mini skirt, mini dresses with some type of platform shoe. In contrast, she also really likes to wear oversized and baggy clothing when she's not performing. You'll see her wearing jeans that are incredibly long, baggy, or loose in some way, and she'll pair it with an oversized t-shirt and a blazer, or a fitted cardigan, some type of cute fitted top. Finally, I would say she's really into that girly, coquette trend. She wears lace, she wears bows, especially in her hair.
Sabrina's natural hair color is a medium blonde shade. She has blue eyes and seemingly cool skin toned with warm overtones, especially with the tan on. As we can see in these pictures, she looks great, but these colors aren't doing her any favors. She looks washed out and lacks vibrancy in her look. If she does wear these colors outside of her palette, she wears it in a way that is away from her face, showing more skin that balances the unwanted effects of unsuitable colors. Colors that are too saturated or dark overpower her delicate and warm coloring. Compare them to these light and delicately colored looks, and you'll see why refreshing her color choices has made her style eye-catching.
Her primary characteristic is her lightness, with light features including her eyes and her hair, and her secondary characteristic is her warmth. If we look at a childhood photo, we can see that she has a lot of spring characteristics. She has warmth in her hair and eyes and a peachy pink undertone. She looks incredible as a warm-toned blonde, and this light coral colour is gorgeous on her. As a light spring, she can pull off both gold and silver, and as light spring neighbours light summer, she can also pull off some summer colours. Sabrina's stylist really understands what looks good on her. The warm pastel candy colours were absolutely made for her.
Recently, we've seen more and more Sabrina-inspired makeup and hair tutorials than ever before. She has turned into this new it girl and fashion icon for Gen Z. Her bold lips, overly blushed cheeks, and extremely glowy skin may not be for everyone, but on Sabrina it works like magic. This kind of makeup suits her full, juicy, and soft features. They stand out even more in these looks than these ones. In the past, matte makeup and nude lipsticks with smoky eyeshadow made her face look plain and lack definition. It simply did not match her vibe and aura. Bear in mind that these old looks are in no way bad, but it just goes to show how carefully and professionally done makeup can sometimes blend you into the crowd if it does not match your unique face structure and essence. Her hair is another thing that has been going viral for some time now. Butterfly and layer cuts are popular right now, so it would make sense for this young and upcoming pop sensation to also get it. But she customizes it according to her unique facial proportions. Her forehead is longer than her mid and lower face, which is a super cute feature in my opinion and further enhances her ingenue essence. She sports layers to balance out her proportions, and the delicate short airy curtain bangs fly weightlessly in the wind, enhancing her delicate and flirty look. Now, you could dress up all you want, but if your looks don't have a story to tell, it does not have much impact in the long run for the public. Sabrina, however, seamlessly marries her fashion and style choices with the sound and vibe of her music and playful personality. Her genius rebranding has proven to be a phenomenal success in the eyes of her audience. She has successfully gotten rid of the Disney kid tag that many struggle to escape from. Her fame may have been slow, but is well deserved. I always stress the importance of having a signature style while at the same time genuinely enjoy wearing what you love. It takes a while to find out through constant trial and errors, but the impact that it can create is worth it. Some tools you can use to start your personal style journey is using the Kibbe system and color analysis. Kibbe's types helped me a lot when I was on my personal style journey and trying to find my place in aesthetic. I know some people find it restrictive and have their own criticisms of it, but it's a great starting point to help you rule out things and ideologies that may drag you down and bring you closer to your authentic self-expression. It's supposed to be a general guideline, of course. What I found compelling about it was telling me to show off and enhance the very features that other systems were telling me to hide and camouflage. One channel like this that helped me find my uniqueness and honor my look was Ali Art. If you don't know about her already, she makes videos on personal style and how to honor your lines and coloring and finding your unique signature look. Another important thing is to make your style match your essence. Having a disconnect between the two isn't the worst thing, but may result in a polarizing look. However, matching the two will create harmony, so it depends what vibe you want to portray. In my future videos, I will go more in depth on these topics and will analyze your favorite celebrity style, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video. If you find my content entertaining and helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.